Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this cartoon dog in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model. This is a Courage the Comedy Dog model in Maya. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.